These are the parking elevators here at the Hyatt Regency in Baltimore, Maryland. Oh. Interesting. Very graceful. Just go back down to 1. Very graceful. Cab looks to be done. And we are stopping at 5. Hi, what floor?
1, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it.
What floor? You're going down to 1, right?
Okay.
1. That's the bottom.
Only one for
That goes to a hotel. Yeah. This is 1. This is the bottom.
1?
This goes to a hotel. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going to the. We're going to the waterfront. Can you get out?
Yeah, you can get out here. This is the bottom.
Oh, okay.
This will take you out here. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one. Let's try to get the other one now. Which is right here waiting for us. 7. Back down to 1. Oh my god. Yeah, these are just very graceful. I'm sorry, just, you can get in. There it goes. And that's it.